Hello, welcome to Promoting Online Excellence, POE Data Analysis. Promoting Online Excellence is an online teaching certification program at the University of Baltimore. In this short presentation, I will share background on the POE program, describe the data collection process from the beta testers group, detail the data analysis process, report the results of the survey, and share action steps that have been implemented based on the survey results. Promoting Online Excellence, or POE, is an online teaching certification program, the purpose of which is to develop faculty expertise in online education. POE consists of 6 modules. The 5 required modules are course design, assessment, accessibility, student engagement, and diversity, equity, and inclusion. Faculty choose a 6th module based on their interest from 3 options: authentic discussions, collaborative group work, or remote reflections. So far, POE has been offered twice. The first offering was during the summer of 2020 when POE was entirely asynchronous. In the spring of 2021, POE was offered in a beta testing format. In this offering, 8 faculty from across the university participated in POE and offered their feedback on the modules. This feedback was then used to improve the next offering of POE, which will be held in spring of 2022. Next, we'll discuss the data collection process. To inform improvements to the program, beta testers were asked to complete a survey. This survey was completed in Microsoft Forms. The survey was divided into 4 parts and consisted of 20 items. Survey participants were asked to rate module content, deliverables, synchronous cohort meetings, and the self-support provided. Quantitative items in the survey were rated on a scale of 1 to 5. 1 corresponded to strongly disagree, and 5 corresponded to strongly agree. Participants also answered open response questions to provide qualitative data. Next, we'll discuss the data analysis process. The data collected in the survey was carefully analyzed to inform improvements to the program. First, the data was reviewed in Microsoft Forms. Microsoft Forms allows survey creators to review responses by question or by survey participant. On this slide, you see that survey responses were reviewed by question first. Viewing the data in this format supports big picture analysis and makes it easier to see data trends. Microsoft Forms helpfully calculates the average or mean for each quantitative item, data which can help point out areas of strength or weakness. After examining the survey responses by question, survey responses by user were examined. On this screen, you can see survey responses from an individual user. This analysis was helpful as it allowed us to see how individual participants experienced the program. We could also use this data to see if there were any trends among schools or programs. After examining the survey responses in Microsoft Forms, the data was exported to Excel. Excel was used to perform a descriptive statistical analysis and calculate mean, median, and mode for each quantitative item. This analysis allowed us to see that the mode for almost every quantitative question was 5, the highest rating. In spite of the trend of positive ratings, we wanted to closely examine the data to determine areas where the program could be revised. Next, we'll look at our findings and the action steps we took as a result. The descriptive analysis of the data resulted in 4 major findings. First, we found that the module content was highly rated. On average, participants rated the modules 4.5 out of 5. Qualitative responses indicated that the student engagement module could be improved, so that module was heavily revised and updated with additional content. The ease of use and navigation of the modules received the lowest rating from the survey overall, with participants rating it an average of 3.7 out of 5. As a result, the modules were converted from Adobe Captivate modules to Pressbooks with interactive elements in H5P. This conversion makes the modules easier to navigate and to use. Since the modules are web-based, they are also much easier to update. With Pressbooks, the modules can also be easily customized to provide specific examples and targeted content for particular schools, departments, and programs. Self-support received a unanimous 5-star rating in the survey. We will continue to provide personalized and targeted support in future offerings of POE. Our final finding was about the impact of POE. Beta testers agreed that their knowledge and skills increased as a result of participating in POE. 4.5 out of 5 was the average rating. We will continue to check in with participants to see how their courses are going and follow up to see the ongoing impact of the program. We hope you'll join us for the next session of POE, which will be offered in spring of 2022. Please contact us at celt@ubalt.edu. We will continue to improve the program based on data results from our participants. Thank you.